Hi everyone, it's Jerry and I was just sent this 12.6 inch cast iron wok. And I wanted to unbox this and then go out and demonstrate kind of the non-stick capabilities of this because this thing is packaged so well. I have to show you how this is packaged. When this thing is sent, this is about a 3.5 pound wok that is about 3.5 inches deep. And when they send these, they mean business. They send this in a complete airtight container here. Inside you've got your recipes and instruction manuals that they give you there. This already comes pre-seasoned, so you don't have to season anything. The lid is a nice lid with a nice little wooden handle on there. It's kind of a little bit of a tinted lid on there with the metal rim that'll fit right on top of there if you're going to use that. It does have a wooden handle. It is very nice wooden handle that goes along with this that will screw into that. This is all handcrafted as far as the actual wok itself. And this is done kind of in a traditional old style way that they made this with mud, and then they put it in here and heat all this up and season it. That gives it this turtle shell texture that's in here, if you can see that. And that is throughout the whole thing. Now these are thicker on the bottom side of this, and it is thinner on the sides, which will give it a little more even texture when you're cooking in a wok, which is certainly nice. We're going to go ahead and insert the handle on here and get this thing cranked down, and then we will go down and test this out. I'll go ahead and cook an egg or something just so that you guys can kind of see the non-stick capabilities of this wok. All right, we've got it on here. We've started to heat this up. Now this comes pre-seasoned. A couple interesting things I will point out that I do like is the fact that this is riveted on here really well. These handles, actually these wood handles, they've got a nice engraving on here with the company brand name, and it does have this part down here that allows you to hang this up if you're going to hang this. It's got a little eye bolt on there that you can hang that up, which is nice. It also has the opposite handle down here that you can grab. It's not hot at all, so that you can pick this up from either side. Let's go ahead and put an egg in here. Now this does work on all surfaces, so this is a glass stove here, as you can see. It works on that, and it also would work on gas or on electric as well. Let's see how this is going to work here. All right, so we're cooking up in here. Got our egg cooking in here. And get that gliding around in there like that. Obviously you can flip it. This is a great non-stick pan. Looks like it can be used for a variety of foods. Looking forward to using it.